Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Shito, or Lion's Head Mountain, gets its name from its unique shape. Resting between Miaoli's Nanchuang Township and Hsinchu's Imei Township, the lion is 5 kilometers long from head to tail. The mountain is famous for its many Buddhist shrines, with 11 temples scattered along its hillsides. If you're looking to scale Shito Mountain, it features 2 climbing trails. For the easy route, start at the Lion's Head and work your way to the Wangyu Pavilion, a relatively flat route taking about 2 hours. If you're looking for a more challenging hike, start at the tail end and work your way up the steep climb to the Lion's Head, a 3-hour hike for more experienced climbers.
Well, it's time for another edition of Talk About Hakka on ICRT.Hello,
大家好，我是阿斌哥 Leo.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是林振少 Joseph Lin, along with Leo, all month long, taking you to places around 苗栗。苗栗呢，这是个好山水的地方了哈。
当然喽。
A lot of natural scenes to visit. There's a lot of mountains, of course. 苗栗只要到海边也是可以，不过今天好像我们要到山上去是吧？
对啊，我们吃饱喝足了，当然去 Kiss 山运动一下。
哦 ，Kiss 山运动一下，就是爬山的意思喽。然后运动一下，对不对？
对，是的，
马上就
蛮厉害的，
意会到了。运动听得出来吗？很简单，就叫做
运通。
运通 ，That's how you say exercise. It actually sounds like Mandarin too, but 刚刚爬山就有点比较不一样了。
Kiss 山
，Kiss 山 ，OK, that is actually climbing a mountain. Kiss 山。OK， 好，这边苗栗应该有比较著名的山是哪一座呢？
哦，这座山大家都听过，叫做石头山。对，
石头山呐，对不对？
对，石头山。
It's the Lion's Head Mountain. It is very well known. A lot of people have heard of it. 那到底大家有没有去爬过呢 ？Leo， 你呢？
我当然去过了。
哦，真的？
开玩笑，我狮头狮尾我都走过了。
Really？
因为这个狮头山它是横贯在苗栗到新竹地区，那狮头是在南庄
I see。
那狮尾呢就在新竹。
哦，所以真的有这样的称呼就对了。
对的。
There's the Lion's Head, which is over on the Miaoli side in Nanzhuang, and then there's the Lion's Tail, which is actually on the Hsinchu side, because this mountain crosses over Miaoli and Hsinchu County. Well, when you're around Miaoli next time, go check it out. It's called 石头山。
石头山，
石头山 and you can do some climbing, mountain climbing, 爬山
Kiss 山
Kiss 山 for all the exercise you need, 运动 and that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家
俺只say 张磊了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.